Hi guys, today I'm gonna be solving these Rubik's cubes that I got from Amazon. So let's start with this mirror cube. Okay, it's kind of easy to solve. So let's do it. Okay, it's shuffled. Now let's solve it. It's solved. Now let's do this this normal cube. Let's do it. Okay, now gotta do the other side, then the other face. Okay, the other face, all the faces are done. Let's solve it in a easier way. Done. Now let's solve this pyramid cube. That is very hard, kind of. Okay, now it's done. Now let's solve it. Technical difficulties. Okay, now. Oops. Done. So that's enough for today. Bye.